What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Chevy Traverse started if the key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2022 Chevy Traverse in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And this is only going to apply to the Traverses that have a push-button start ignition. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle, as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying no remote detected. So what we need to do is place the remote in the transmitter pocket, as your owner's manual calls it. The transmitter pocket is located in the center console. Need to remove that tray, and then there's a little liner in the bottom here that pulls out. And then once we get that liner out, we can see our transmitter pocket right here. So what you want to do is place the key fob in there like that. And now we should just be able to start the vehicle as normal. So that's it. Pretty simple. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your fob as soon as you can. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.